Google's auto-revoking app permissions on Android. Stay secure with Play Protect. Imagine your phone acting like a vigilant guard, automatically shutting down access for shady apps before they can cause trouble. That's now the reality with Google's latest update to Play Protect. With this new tweak, if an Android app is flagged as potentially dangerous, Google's security system will automatically revoke its permissions, blocking access to your photos, camera, storage, and more. No more worrying about sneaky apps silently spying on you. And if you decide you want to give those permissions back, no problem. Google will simply ask for your confirmation before restoring access, adding an extra layer of security to keep your device protected. Google's Play Protect isn't new to the scene. It already scans all apps on your device, whether downloaded straight from the Play Store or sideloaded from elsewhere, and can reset permissions if you haven't used an app for a while. Now, it gets even smarter. It can automatically disable or remove malicious apps based on how serious the threat is. But what if you accidentally turn off Play Protect or a scammer tries to trick you into disabling it during a call? Don't worry, Google has your back. The system now pops up notifications on Chrome and Android, prompting you to re-enable Play Protect if you've turned it off. Plus, during voice or video calls, even through popular third-party apps, Google won't let scammers convince you to disable this vital security shield. This isn't just about blocking bad apps. Google is constantly upping its game against scams and malware. Recent updates have introduced real-time threat detection on Pixel phones, catching malicious behaviors as they happen, and a new badge now signals that VPN apps meet strict security standards. So, in a world where mobile threats are getting trickier, Google's proactive moves make your device safer and smarter, watching your back, one app at a time.